How to add payment method in your Facebook Ad Manager's ad account. For this, open your ID. On the left hand side, you will see Ad Manager. Click on it. Now select the account on which you want to add the payment method. I am choosing this one, Add Account. In my previous video, I have explained how to create this account. And if you don't know how to create ad account in the business manager of Facebook, I will share the link in the I button and in the description also. You can watch it and can add the ad account easily in your business manager. Even I have created a video how to create the business manager. I will share the link of that as well. You can go and check out this. Now, when you open this, your ad account, if you already have not added the payment method, it will prompt over here. The other way is overview. You can add payment method from the account overview also. Click on the add payment method. It will fetch your information. I already have entered that. That's why it is not showing me. Otherwise, it will show you the country, the currency, and the time of that zone. When you press the next button, it will bring you on this screen. Here, when I press next, it will be asking me my card information. Right now, I have SadaPay account, so I am adding this information here. When you press the next button after adding the information of your card, you will be having this screen. Mastercard has been added to my account. So these are the simple steps. By using that, you can add a payment method in your ad account. That's all from today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.